we go out on these furnace checks and we check to make sure that the furnace is operating safely and that there's no deficiencies or problems with it. Some of the things that we check would be we would check the air filter. We want to change that and make sure that we have good airflow across the heat exchanger. This is a high efficiency furnace, so we would check the combustion blower. There's a pressure switch here that makes sure that this is running. We go through the sequence of operation, make sure the igniter's working, make sure that the flame safeguard, make sure the high limit, the pressure switch, all those things that are in there and working properly.